Namaste student. Today we're going to see one problem related to rationalization. Here we have, if x equals to 3 minus 2 root 2, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube, and x cube minus 1 by x cube. And before doing this all, let's drive the formula for this all and then we'll proceed. So let's see how to drive the formula for x square plus 1 by x square. I hope you people know a plus b whole square formula. So let's see here, we go for this one, a plus b whole square. That means you take this one, x as a and 1 by x as b. Then we can write here a square plus b square. This means whole thing to b square plus 2ab. So here we are getting x plus 1 by x whole square, and this side will get x square plus 1 by x square. So you can see that 1 1 1 and x square will get here, and x cancel, will get 2. This means if we take this to this side, what we are going to get, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. That means x square plus 1 by x square. We have this formula. Okay, there is another formula related to this one, so we need to know both the formula, and whatever it will be given will apply according to that. Let's go for another one, that is x minus 1 by x whole square. Means what? A square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into a into b. So x is cancelled. We'll get here x minus 1 by x whole square, and this 2 will come this side, it will give you plus 2, and we'll get here x square plus 1 by x square equals to this. That means x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square, there is a 2 formula. When you will apply x plus 1 by x, you can see here there is a minus 2, and when you are applying x minus 1 by x, you can see there is a plus 2. So let's go for another one, that is x square plus 1 by x square. So here we have another formula for this one. So let's go for this one. That is very simple. X square minus 1 by x square. We'll get here x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x. We'll get this formula. A plus b, a minus b. Very simple. Let's proceed for the third one. So for third one, we need to know about a plus b whole cube formula. There's a formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So this we're going to apply this formula. So here x cancel, and we'll get here x plus 1 by x whole cube, and if we take this whole thing this side, minus 3 into x plus 1 by x, we are getting x cube plus 1 by x cube. For the next, that is x cube minus 1 by x cube, I hope you can do now. That is x minus 1 by x whole cube equals to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. Here we are getting, so x cancel, we'll get x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 x minus 1 by x. That means x cube minus 1 by x cube will give this formula. So here if you'll see, in short, if we look at the formula, that means x square plus 1 by x square, we have here x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Other we have x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. For x square minus 1 by x square, we have x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x. And the third one, x cube plus 1 by x cube, we have x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. And for x cube minus 1 by x cube, we have here x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. That means in each formula you can see that one common thing. What? We need to find 1 by x. Have you seen? 1 by x, 1 by x. Here everywhere x plus 1 by x. We have x, according to question we'll get x, and we need to find 1 by x, and then we'll use this plus sign, and wherever we have minus sign we're going to apply minus sign. So our target, whenever we get this type of problem, our first target to find 1 by x. Let's see. So here we'll go with the problem. So we have x equals to 3 minus 2 root 2. That means we need to find 1 by x. 1 by x means 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. That means we need to rationalize it. As you can see, the denominator is in a irrational form. So here 3 minus 2 root 2 will multiply with the opposite symbol. We can see here conjugate of this part, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2. So 1 into 3 plus 2 root 2 will get 3 plus 2 root 2, and down denominator, that means a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, and here we are getting 3 plus 2 root 2, and denominator is 9 minus 8, and we are getting here 3 plus 2 root 2. Very simple. Now we'll go for first one. So to get first one, you can see that here we have the 4 formula. In this 4 formula, what you can see that x plus 1 by x we need, or this one, whatever we need. For this second one we need both. So we'll find these two, x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x, and then we'll get every term of this one. Okay, let's see. So next target our x plus 1 by x. Now we'll write x plus 1 by x. So we have 3 plus 2 root 2, another we have, so minus is there, x means 3 minus 2 root 2 and plus 3 plus 2 root 2. So these two cancel, we get here 6. And for x minus 1 by x, so 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2, and we get here 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. That means plus 3 minus 3 cancel, we'll get minus 4 root 2. So here we have value 4 root 2. Okay. So let's see now. So number 1, that is x square plus 1 by x square. That means x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Substitute the value, that is 6 square minus 2. That means 36 minus 2 will get here 34. This is the first one. Second number, that is x square minus 1 by x square will give you x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. That means one is 6, another is minus 4 root 2. If we multiply, we'll get minus 24 root 2. This will be our answer. That is x cube plus 1 by x cube. That means x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. So we'll substitute here, that is 6 cube minus 3 into 6. So whatever value we'll get, find it here. And the last one, that is x cube minus 1 by x cube, that is x minus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. So let's see here, x minus, that is minus 4 root 2 whole cube and 3 into minus 4 root 2. So in this case, how are you going to present here? That is like minus 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2 and minus 4 root 2. That means minus 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 will give you minus 4 will give you 64. Root 2 will give you 2, and 1 root 2 will remain. So we'll get here 128 sorry, minus root 2. That is minus 128 root 2, and here we'll get minus minus plus, that is 12 root 2. So both will be added here. So we'll get here 1 and that is 6 root 2. So minus will be there. This will be our answer for this, and for this one you find it here. Okay, that is 216 minus 18, and subtract it here, you will get the answer 198. This will be your answer. Okay, thank you.